Hi, fabulous YouTubers. So my name is Leda. I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina. I've been a hairstylist for over 17 years. I have a rockin' TikTok account and I have an Instagram and Facebook. You can follow me there. Make sure to subscribe. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a fishtail braid and then add a little twist and fun to it. So it's actually going to be a deconstructed fishtail.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something.
So I'm gonna do my hair in a tie real quick. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the other side. And then the fun will begin. I'm actually wearing my clip-in extensions and they are great for this. So I've got my two pigtails in. Now the trick to a fishtail, because I know some people don't know how to do a fishtail, is you're going to take two sections. So a regular braid, you're going to take 3. So a fishtail to me is actually way easier than an actual regular braid. So you're going to take your 2 sections and you're going to just take tiny piece from one side and you're gonna flip it over the other side. So I did that on that one and now I'm gonna go the other way. Again and again, and you're just gonna keep going back and forth, back and forth. Don't worry about it being too neat because I'm actually gonna deconstruct this anyway and I'll show you what that means after I do this side. You can do tiny little pieces. I mean, you can make it like really intricate, or you could do really big pieces, or just mix it up. That's kind of the beauty about braids right now. They're very messy looking almost, and that's okay, which is awesome. All right, so I'm gonna go all the way down to the ends. Okay, I'm not gonna tie it yet. This is where the magic happens. So now it's like a very neat looking fishtail braid. This is where I'm gonna deconstruct. So I'm gonna pull, and pull, and it doesn't have to be perfect. You guys see that? Now, of course, I would probably hide that piece. That's not my favorite, but that is right there. I mean, that's the look. That's what a lot of people pay a lot of money for, these updos. That is a quick, simple, easy thing to do. Now I'm gonna do the other side. And then I'm also gonna show you a third thing that you can do with this afterwards, okay? So now it's this side. Same thing, 2 sections, going back and forth, back. Sometimes it helps me to like not actually look at the camera because I gotta do everything gotta like backwards a little bit. So I'm taking those 2 sections and I'm taking the hair. I'm just going back, forth, until you get all the way down to the ends. Almost there, almost there. No, I'm not gonna tie it yet. I almost tied it. Okay, so before I tie it, I'm going to deconstruct it. And there really is no rhyme or reason. You're just gonna start pulling on the braids. And it makes them really super big. Juicy, fat braids.